Hello everyone, Jude here from Tech Office Software. In today's tutorial, we shall be learning about 17 Microsoft Excel formulas that you need to know to effectively and easily use Microsoft Excel. These formulas can work on any version of Excel, be it 2013, 2016, 2019, or even Microsoft Excel 365. Whatever version, it will work perfectly well. On the left side of the spreadsheet, I have the list of the formulas we shall be learning how to use in our Excel. We start with the basic formulas like add, subtract, multiply, divide. Before we continue, I want you to always remember that the number one key to effectively use formulas in Excel is to put equal sign. With this equal sign, Excel will know that you are about to perform a certain function. So having said this, let us get started. We have entered some numbers here. Then just like in normal mathematics calculation, we have put 2 and 2 in cells C2 and cell D2. So to calculate it, we click E2, we put equal sign, we type in 2 plus 2, just like in normal mathematics, and we click enter. It will give us 4. So we delete this. Another way we can do this is to use the number we have on the spreadsheet. Again, I will type in equal sign, then I click C2, put plus sign, and then click D2. Press enter. So for us to do subtraction, it is almost the same way. We put equal sign, we type in 5 minus 3, and then we click enter. It will give us 2. Or we put equal sign, then we click cell C3, we put minus sign, and then cell D3, and click enter. We have the same answer. And then let's say we want to do divide. In Excel don't have the normal divide sign we used to know. What Excel use in divide is the forward slash. So we put in equals, we put 6 forward slash 2, and we get our answer. Or we put equal sign, then we click C4 forward slash D4. We have our answer. Then in multiplication, Excel don't use X to multiply, they use asterisk. If you use X as multiplication sign in Excel, it will not work. So you use asterisk. So what we have to do is to put equal sign, we put in 2, asterisk, then we put in 5. We have our answer. Or like before, we put equal sign, click C5, asterisk, D5. We have our answer. The sum formula helps you to sum up your calculation easy and fast. Remember, you put equal sign, you can type in 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 2 to get your answer. Or you can use the Express sheet and just type in equals sum, open parenthesis, you click cell C2, you hold down and hover over the rest, close parenthesis, you click enter, you have your answer. So this brings us to autosum. Having gotten our answer for this first cell in sum, this one, instead of calculating for all the cells the same way, we can just click the answer as we have done. Then we come to this small box here. We right click, hold down and drag to the end of the place we are looking for the answer, and it automatically fill in the answer for us. That is for autosum. That is what autosum can do. To get average, we put equal sign, we type in average, open parenthesis, then we highlight the range we are looking for the average, we put in closing parenthesis and click enter. So we have gotten the average. Then just like we did with sum, we can use autosum to fill in the rest. As you can see, it has automatically given us the average in the remaining cells. Median gives us the value that is in the middle of all the numbers. So what we do is just like before, we type in equal sign, put in median, open parenthesis, then we select the range we want to cover from C2 all the way to C5. We close the parenthesis and click enter. It has given us the middle number for the 4 cells. We use mean when we want to get the minimum number we have within a range. So we put equal sign to get the minimum number. We put mean, open parenthesis, we click cell C2 and hover to cover the range of cell C2 to cell C5. We close the parenthesis and click enter. So the minimum numbers we have is 2. Max is the opposite of mean. While mean gives the smallest number, max gives the biggest number within a range. We put equal sign, put in max, open parenthesis, we highlight our range, closing parenthesis, we click enter. So the biggest number we have within this range is 6. This brings us to count A. Count A. Count all the cells within the range that have value in them, be it number or letters. So having added some letters there, we click equal sign, we type in count A, open parenthesis, we then hover over the range, we close the parenthesis and then click enter. It gives us 14. Why did it give us 14? Because if we count from here, we see that we have cell 1, cell 2, cell 3, cell 4. This is 8, 12, plus the 2 that have Jane and Jude. It gives us 14. Count only take recognizance of cells that have number in them and ignore any other cell that have letters. So I should have put equal sign, we put count, open parenthesis, we take our range, closing parenthesis and click enter. We can notice that count only take recognizance of 12 cells that has number in them. Even if we type in any letter again, Peter, we notice that count A has taken recognizance of it and is now 15, but count remains 12. And when we type in 5, count will now take recognizance of the number we type in. Concatenate means to add two values together to become one value or to be in a cell. Let's say we want to bring John and Paul together to become John Paul in one cell. We click equals, type in concatenate, then open parenthesis. We click the cell that contains the value we want to concatenate. We put and, then we put space. We put and again, and then the next cell that contains the value we want to concatenate. We close the parenthesis and click enter. It has given us John Paul. When using if, it gives us a logical answer based on a certain cell. Let's say we type in Joy here. To use if, we type equal sign as before, put if, open parenthesis, then we select the cell we want to use the value, then we put equal sign. So we type in Joy, put comma, and then we put in yes, and then put comma again, then we put in no, and then close the parenthesis and click enter. It gives us Joy because this is what is in this cell. Then let's say we type in sad, it will give us no. So that is the function of if. If there is Joy here, it will give us yes. Countif, it means count any cell if we have the value we are looking for in it. So we put equal sign, then we put count if, open parenthesis, we highlight the range, then we put a comma, then what we are looking for is the value of t, then we close the parenthesis, we click enter. So Countif has told us that we have two places that have t in them. So we have t here and t here, so their value is t. So Vlookup helps us to look up a particular value and get any other value that is associated with it that we are looking for. In this case, we are looking for bat. So what we are going to do is to type equal sign, then we put in Vlookup, we put open parenthesis, we click the value we are looking for, we put a comma, then we highlight the range that we are looking for, we put a comma again, and the line we presume that the range will be, then we ask to be, if it's true, let it get to give us the exact match, and if we can't have the exact match, let it return false. We close the parenthesis and click enter, and we can see that in line 3, but is 10, and that is why it return 10 for us. We actually have bat and it's 10. Let's say bat don't have any number here, and we click enter with the return 0. Finally, we are in Sumif. Sumif will give you the number associated with the value that you are looking for. So we are going to use this value here to illustrate Sumif. Let's say we have equal sign, then we put Sumif, open parenthesis, we highlight the range we are looking for, we put a comma, then what we are looking for is t, we put a comma again, then we highlight the range we want Sumif to look for what we are looking for. We close, then we click enter. Sumif has given us 80 because we have 50 for t here and then 30 for t here. So that is why he gave us a total of 80 as the value of the t we have in this data. We have come to the end of the tutorial today. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on the use of formula in Excel. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, then see you in the next video. Thank you.